So if you want to set a maximum order limit for products in your store based on the customer types, then in this video I will show you a very easy tutorial to do it. So before starting the video, if you are new here in this channel, then please hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. So let's begin. So for this I am using the next order limit quantity application from the Shopify App Store. You can easily download it from here. After installing the app, go here, create validation, then create a cart validation and give a title like set maximum order limit for product based on customer types. Then add a new rule, add a condition, select the condition, number of products, include quantity for each product. Then in the operator you have multiple options. I am choosing greater than. In the value I am putting 12. Then add another condition, select the condition customer has tag. You can also choose customer does not have tag. Then in the customer tag, type the tags of the specific customers which you want to add. Like I am adding foreign. So if you want to know how to add tag to the customers, to do it, go to the customer section, select the customer, and here in the tag section you can add the tag. So you can see I already added the tag foreign to this customer. So let's back to the previous page. Yeah, after adding this tag, add a new action. In the action you have two options. I am selecting the second ones. Then type the default message here which you want to show. Like you cannot purchase more than 12 products. After that, active the status and save this. Now the people who have this foreign tag and if they want to purchase more than 12 products from the store, then the error message will pop up in their checkout page. So let's test it on the online store. If I add more than 12 products in the cart, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, and if I put the particular customer here, yeah, then you can see the error message. But if I put another customer here who has not the foreign tag, then you can see there is no error message. So yeah, in this way you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then please hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. And if you have any question in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. So that's for all today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.